Do y'all know if I can eat this? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I just realized I'm not wearing my engagement ring. That's okay. Today's video, chaotic beginning already, is an unboxing of the FabFitFun starter box. This is the $5 intro box to kind of get a sense of like what FabFitFun is about. Each one of these boxes comes with 4 items, and if you don't cancel after you get your starter box, then you are automatically enrolled in their normal seasonal box. I had a starter box invitation sent to me by a friend. If you are watching this, are a FabFitFun member, and you have starter boxes to share, please comment down in the comments so that way some people wanting to try this out can have the opportunity to do so, and I know that they'll really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you go. So let's get started with this box. Each box comes with 4 items, and this one has a retail value of $106. I don't think it's worth $106, but we'll get into that in a bit. But it's definitely worth $5. I wanted to show y'all the most up-to-date version of what's included in the starter box. I literally got this in the mail today, so let's get into it. Quickly, I wanted to mention that I'm loving this huge scrunchie. I got it for really cheap from shopmissa.com, so it was like less than $1. And for my eye look, I am playing around with my At Forest Sight palette, and I put pretty much as many shades of this as I could on my eyelids. Chanterelle on my inner upper lid, blending into Old Growth, which blends into Amanita, and then along my lash line, I have PNW blended into Emerald City in the middle, and all of that is connected with West Coast on the inner corner. Now let's talk about what's included in this box. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is probably the one I'm most excited for, and it's the largest item. This is the Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel scented candle, and this retails for $48. Expensive candle. And this is 11 ounces or 312 grams. It's like nice, clean smell, what you would expect from a scent called Fleur de Sel, like salt. This has notes of aquatic breeze, marine salt, orange blossom mimosa, and driftwood. Ooh, and it really does smell nice and fresh. I have a bunch of Bath & Body Works candles, but you know, sometimes they can get very fragranced smelling, and I know that's the point of a candle, but sometimes you just want something a little bit more light and natural. So that one I am actually excited for. Next item is one that I'm not excited for, and it's the second largest. This is the Ahava Dead Sea Salt. They're like bath salts, and I am not a bath person. I am a shower person, so I pretty much will never use these. I'll keep these and throw into a giveaway box, but the retail value of this is $16. It has 11 ounces of bath salts in it. The only ingredient in this is Dead Sea Salt. Do y'all know if I can eat this? Can people use this for like cooking and ingesting? Because there aren't any essential oils or anything like that. But maybe it's not extremely purified or anything. So anyways, either way, I'm not going to use this to cook with. I'll just keep it to give away later on my channel. And the last 2 items, first I have the Avene Thermal Spring Water. It's aerosolized water, which sometimes is like nice, but it's not worth paying $14, which is what the value of this is. And this is nice maybe after showering if you let your skin dry too much, to just give yourself a mist to dampen up your skin before putting on skincare. That's how I like using things like this. I could also stick this in the fridge and have it be nice and cold water. I think that would be really nice too. And the last item is this LXMI, I'm not sure how to pronounce that brand, but it is the Nourishing Balm to Oil. The retail value of this is $28, and the only ingredient in here is shea butter. The directions say to use it as an overnight facial mask, pure shea butter as a facial mask. I mean, that is very nourishing, but I'm gonna wake up with a bunch of pimples if I do that. I'll probably use this on my hands and my elbows and my toes as like a body balm. Yeah, I probably won't use this entirely on my face, but let me actually open this up and see how it smells and how it feels. Ooh, that's thick. That's how that comes out. Oh yeah, not putting this on my face. It really is like a thick balm. It's pure shea butter. Wow, $28, that's pretty expensive. And this has 1.67 ounces of product in it. Ooh, my hands feel very greasy right now. Ugh, I don't know if I like that. Maybe this will be better served for my elbows and my heels. Actually, good thing I wasn't wearing my ring. And those were the 4 products that are included, total retail value of $106. I'll run through them and hold them up really quick. While I'm doing that, I'll also rank them from my favorite to my least favorite. So my first favorite product is this massive candle that smells very fresh and clean, and the retail value of this was also the most considerable, the most contributing. It was $48. I'm gonna light this today. It has a nice, very relaxing, like sky baby blue color on the inside. And this is also gonna be a great maybe brush holder once I burn through it. So this is useful to me in like multiple senses. My second favorite is going to be this Avene thermal water, just because I'm really looking forward to putting it in the fridge and spraying it. Oh, it's gonna be so refreshing. And retail value of $14. Third favorite product is this I was gonna call it a hand cream, but that's essentially what I'm probably gonna use it as. This Pure Nilotica Melt Nourishing Balm to Oil, that's just pure shea butter. And I'm just gonna use it as like a body balm. I'm ranking it third because I am gonna use it, but I probably won't enjoy it that much. My fourth product, least favorite product, are these bath salts, just because I'm not gonna use them. Yeah, so that sums it up. I don't know if I said, but this has retail value of $28 and this retail value is $16. I've had FabFitFun in the past before. I already canceled like this subscription, so I'm not gonna get the winter 2020 box or anything. I don't know, just I feel my life feels so oversaturated right now, and even when I did get FabFitFun, I still it was barely worth it to me. And I am just trying to be wiser with my money and financial planning than that. So that's where I'm at right now. If you have FabFitFun, if you've had it for years, if you had it for just 1 or 2 seasons, let me know how you feel about it. If you love it, if you agree that it's just barely worth it as long as all of the customization options are like perfect for you. But we all know that if you're just a seasonal subscriber, sometimes the customization picks are not spot on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very to the point. The purpose was just to show you what's inside this box, and I have done that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Remember that y'all are my treasure. Find the beauty in every day, but most importantly, be kind to yourselves. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!